Want your newsletter to basically write itself? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated, AI-powered newsletter with RSS app. One that collects content, generates summaries, and delivers everything to your subscribers on autopilot. Let's get into it. The first thing you need is a reliable stream of content. Find competitor blogs, news sites, niche publications, whatever your audience cares about. Just copy each URL, head to RSS.app, and paste it into the RSS generator. That's it. RSS app does the rest. It monitors those sites and automatically pulls in new content as it's published. Repeat the same for your other sources. You're building a live, structured content pipeline from all the sources that matter in your space. Now, instead of managing 10 or 20 separate feeds, you're going to combine them into a single stream using bundles. Go to the Bundles section, click New Bundle, select the feeds you just created, give it a name, and hit Create. Your bundle becomes the single source of truth for your newsletter. One feed that aggregates everything, ready to be processed by AI. This is where it gets interesting. Instead of sending your subscribers headlines, you're going to use the AI Brief feature to turn that content into curated, intelligent summaries, in your voice for your audience. Enable AI Brief on the right-hand side. Then, go into the AI Brief settings and turn on the Custom Personality option. This is where you write a prompt that tells the AI exactly how to summarize content. Your prompt should cover 3 things. Who your audience is, say marketers or founders. What they actually care about, trends, insights, actionable takeaways. And the format you want, short paragraphs, bullet points, a specific tone. The more specific your prompt, the better the output. Here's where your newsletter becomes truly hands-free. Inside AI Brief, go to the Schedule tab and enable Auto-Generate. Choose how often summaries should run. Daily works great for most newsletters, or you can set it to Monday through Friday if you publish on a weekly cadence. Then define how many posts need to have been published to generate a new brief. From this point on, RSS app will automatically pull new content, summarize it with AI, and update your feed. No manual triggering needed, ever. There's also an option called Always Generate on Schedule, which is useful if you want a summary sent out even on slow news days when nothing new has been published. Last step, plug your AI-powered feed directly into your email platform. Copy the XML URL of your feed from RSS app. Then head into MailChimp, Beehive, or whatever newsletter platform you use, and add it as an RSS campaign. Customize your email template and set your sending schedule to match your auto-generate frequency. That's it. From now on, RSS app is collecting content from all your sources. AI Brief is summarizing it with a custom prompt written for your audience. Your feed updates automatically on your chosen schedule, and your newsletter platform delivers it straight to your subscribers. Try it today with RSS.app.